So welcome once again to Math. Now we are having y equal to x bracket 2x plus 1 all cube. Okay, so for us to differentiate this, we are also going to apply the product rule again. In my last video I said that the product rule will help us to solve problems, differentiate problems that has to do with two terms multiplying themselves. So we're having a radical multiplying a composite function like this. So let's go. We are going to first of all say remember we're having two terms, so we're going to say let the first one, which is let v be equal to x. Okay, so this is our first one, and if you differentiate, differentiate now the v, okay, let me come here. If you differentiate v now with respect to x, the v the x, remember that this x is as x above half, right? So if you differentiate this, this is going to be 1 over 2 x is equal to minus half. Okay, so we have done that. Next, we are going to say let u be equal to the second one, which is what? 2x plus 1 always above 3. X plus 1 always above 3. So we are going to differentiate again. So let's get our du, the x, du, the x. So remember, this is a composite function, and we are going to apply the chain rule here. Okay, so let's go. These three come here, so that gives us 3. I'm glad you already learned how to differentiate composite functions, so that is not a problem. But in case you haven't learned it, please go and visit my previous videos on chain rule. I think I've done that for almost a week or 2 weeks now. So apply our chain rule. This will give us times 2. Okay, so that we are going to have 6 into 2x plus 1 is equal to 2. So this is our the x. Now let's apply our formula. Our formula for the product rule says the y the x. So therefore our dy dx, our dy the x says v. What's our v? Our v is root x times du dx. What's our du dx? Our du the x, look at it here, is what? 6 into 2x plus 1 all squared. Okay, let me use a square bracket here so I don't mix it up. Then plus u. What's our u? Our u is 2x. Let me come here to write it. 2x plus 1 all cube. Then dv dx. What's our dv dx? dv dx times 1 over 2x is equal to minus 1 over 2. Okay, so this is it. So let's just tidy things up for ourselves. So this is the same thing as 6 with x into 2x plus 1 all squared plus this, which is 2x plus 1 all cube, then times this. I can write this as 1 over, I'm using my knowledge of indices now, over root 2 with x. Okay, so this is the solution to this problem, and we can actually factor out 2x plus 1 since it is common to both sides. Okay, so I can factor out 2x plus 1 all squared. It's common to both sides, and I'm left with this, which is 6 root 3. So 6 with x, then plus, and we'll be left with 2x plus 1 here, and then times 1 over 2 with x. So this is our solution. Let me use the square bracket here to differentiate that. So this is our solution to this problem. I hope you gained value. Have a great day. Bye. Don't forget to like, to share.